Breakfast in Jilin, a northeastern province of China, looks very different from what most people expect. Here in the Korean Autonomous Prefecture, mornings begin as early as 3 a.m., with markets filled with colourful, steaming and fragrant foods. One of the highlights is the sticky rice ball. Vendors pound glutinous rice until it becomes smooth and stretchy, then roll it in bean powders. The red bean version is rich and aromatic, while the kimchi flavour adds a spicy, tangy twist that locals love. Hot soups are another breakfast staple. Ginseng chicken soup, often paired with rice, is considered both nourishing and restorative. Silken tofu soup is lighter but equally comforting, perfect for a chilly morning. Even familiar foods get a creative spin here. Fried dough sticks are made with fruit and vegetable juices, giving them bright colours and a subtle sweetness. Dumplings come with unique fillings like shrimp sauce, sesame and chive with egg. Each bite soft, savoury and satisfying. Egg dishes are everywhere too. Golden flatbreads stuffed with chives and eggs, or fluffy baked egg cakes with fillings like sweet potato, cheese, or even tuna and seaweed. They're traditional yet inventive, and thanks to the Korean influence, you'll also find kimbap, packed with rice, vegetables and beef, as well as chewy rice cakes simmered in spicy gochujang sauce. Walking through Jilin's morning market is more than just grabbing breakfast. It's an experience that blends Chinese and Korean flavours into one unforgettable start to the day.